ready to look at a press?
Another press?
Another press. Okay, now, I'm going to tell you something. If you plan on doing lots of hats, you think that sounds like fun, then then buy a heat press, a special hat heat press. There we go. Let me get this out of here for a minute. Okay. We also have this in our Amazon store. This is the HTV Runt one. And I'm going to make sure and get this plugged in here.
Okay.
And like I said yesterday, yeah, there's a lot of different tools you could get, you can buy. Don't feel like you have to do it all at once. Maybe the one heat press you will use over and over and over again is the flat one. That one, definitely recommend. In fact, I didn't even start out with that one. I started out with a handheld, and it worked great. Okay, and it was a lot less expensive. So don't feel like you have to go to the biggest, best, and all of that. Just
do what works for you.
What works for you, right? So, but I most certainly recommend some kind of flat heat press. Now, of course, I wanted to do tumblers. So I got a tumbler heat press. And then I don't know how many hats I'm honestly going to do, but because I'm also going to be teaching hats, I said, well, I got to have a heat press, Mike, right? That's how I can justify it,
yeah.
Right? It's actually not that expensive either. And so we picked up this heat press. Okay.
This is cool. It's really small too.
The footprint is very small. So in my sewing / craft room, I just have a table and it has my heat press, my printer, my tumbler press.
When I haven't stolen it.
When Kim hasn't taken it. When I get it back to my sewing room. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a little squishy in there. You know, I got a lot of stuff going on, but it's fine. It's totally fine.
Worth it.
Absolutely worth it.
Okay.
All right, guys. So while this heats up, let me show you kind of how this works. This is going to go right here. And you see that you have a kind of a lip here, right? Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay. If you have any cardboard, of course, remove that. And then I have that go out so that I can place it right on there.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. There's this little lever. See if you can get this, Kim. This little metal lever.
Okay.
If you come over here, you can see that I'm like pushing it up and down.
Oh, okay. Okay. Easy enough.
Yeah. So you want this so that this is up and I can place the back of it right there. Okay. And then when I put it up, it really stretches this hat. So this hat ain't going anywhere.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that nice? You can see that. Can you pull
yeah.
That? Yeah.
Okay.
So that works out really well.
Okay.
Okay. Just like we did with our shirts, we want to also lint roll our hats.
Okay.
Okay. So just getting rid of anything, dust or fibers or threads or whatever might be on there.
Okay.
All right. And I'm also going to lift this up even while it's still heating because I just want to give it a little bit of heat.
Okay.
And it comes down on itself.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And release that. Okay. And up it comes. All right. Okay. So I have a nice canvas to now work on.
Okay.
Now, one other thing... You know what? It's kind of scary to try this live, but I'm going to try it live. I'm going to see if this will work.
Oh, boy.
If I get this in.
You haven't tried this before?
I have not tried this yet.
Oh, boy.
Let's see. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm going to give it a whirl.
So you don't have to, obviously.
No.
Because you didn't.
I didn't before, but you saw I got those lines, and I didn't like those lines.
Okay.
So I'm just saying I'm going to give it a whirl. Right in front of your eyes. Let's see if this works. It's a little tight, but I'm getting that little heat pillow in there, folks. Okay. All right. This sucker's on good.
All right.
All right. So, again, remember that it's going to be in reverse, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to find the center. Make sure and get this on there. Nice. Okay. And I'm going to do this. I want to show you another mistake I made.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm sure we all actually do like seeing your mistakes.
I hope you like seeing my mistakes.
I do.
I had a hat where I folded the hat or the design in half.
Oh, yeah. It was the Dad Life one.
Here it is. Here it is. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. I want to show you my mistake. I was doing
Oh, there's the Dad Life.
There's Dad Life. Dad jokes included. Do you guys see this like fade going on in the middle?
Yep.
Well, I thought I was really super smart, which I wasn't. And I thought,
it makes sense though that you would do that.
That's what we do with machine embroidery, right? And we fold it in half to find the center.
Uh-huh.
So I folded mine in half to find the center, and then I placed it on the center line. Well, no. That doesn't work, guys. You're going to get a fade going right down. Do you see that on the D?
Yep.
There's a fade there. Don't do that.
Okay.
So I am going to do my best to center this.
You could
You could
draw a little crosshair with a light pencil or something.
You definitely could.
Or you can eyeball it.
I'm going to eyeball it.
Okay.
I'm going to eyeball this baby. Okay.
Do you need to put paper under the hat?
No.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. All right.
Do you need to put paper over the top?
Paper over the top.
Okay.
Yes.
And as you can see, she put the little pillow, which I'm very anxious to see how that works.
I'm anxious to see if it works too.
Because you did the other ones without the pillow, and it was fine.
I did. No, I didn't like those lines, Kim.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see if this works. I don't know. I could be up in the night, but I'm just going to give it a whirl.
Okay.
All right. You know what? That doesn't look straight. I know you probably can't see it on camera, but I can see through the paper. You'll be able to see through the paper. All right. I'm going to do this. Let's bring this up over top. It's going to be a little snug because I have my my little pillow in here. Hopefully that didn't change things, but if it did, well, no, don't do that, Kris. Okay. And let's go ahead and hit the start button.
50 seconds. That just like went down.
It also comes with another little heat press thing. This is for smaller caps. So if you have like a child's cap, toddler cap, or whatever, this is a little bit smaller base.
Michelle says, no man's head is perfectly straight anyway.
There you go, Michelle. There you go. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay. We're doing this together, folks.
I'm excited.
I'm so nervous, but we're going to see.
Let's do this.
All right. So I'm letting it cool for a minute or like 10 seconds.
You did Mama Bear.
I did do Mama Bear.
Okay.
Ah, so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, I had a little ghosting right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if that happened when you shifted it.
I think it happened when I shifted it. Yep, I do.
I don't know. I don't think the pillow's worth it, Kris.
I don't either.
It makes it too tight.
I'm like, oh, it might be a little too tight. So you know what? There we go. Lesson learned. Maybe you don't need the pillow on that one. Definitely the pillow on your shirts, though.
Yeah.
But
that's still so cute.
Darn, that's bugging me.
Nah, it's great.
You know what? The nice thing is these aren't that expensive. They're like $2.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, that also goes to show that that can happen.
It can happen.
But again, I think it's because you were trying to shift that too much.
Yeah, I agree.
With a very tight space.
Let's heat that baby up a little bit.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get rid of any of that without touching it.
Don't touch. See, so it still happened.
Yeah,
even though you have the pillow.
I think one of the reasons why. Okay, this is another theory I have. It is going to. That is a little bit better than what it was.
Yeah. Okay, talk loud here.
I'm going to turn this off. Okay, I'll have to play with that later. Okay, I have a theory. Are you ready, Kim?
Sure.
My theory is this was the same size as this. And so it still gave that full pressure all the way to the ends.
Oh, uh-huh.
If this had been a little bit smaller, in fact, you know what I might do? I might even make my own. I might cut this in half. If I'm going to do more hats, I may cut this in half and re-sew down that. So I actually have a very little one. Because the idea is you want the pillow to be
Just underneath
big enough for the design, but smaller than the paper.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So that the paper kind of lifts up off of the pillow.
Yeah.
That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it.
I like it.
What do you guys think?
Great.
Great question.
Well, people are looking forward to the classes in the new year.
Yeah, me too. I'm so excited. And if you make anything, make sure and post your pictures because we get so excited to see them. And if you have questions, like, let's all help each other out. I feel like I'm still very much a novice. I've been learning from trial and error, just like you. And so by no means am I an expert on this. I'm just learning as I go. And I'm remembering the things and tweaking things that I learned. And then I just share those things with you. So really, we're in it together.
Playing around together.
Playing around, having fun together.
Yeah. Awesome. All right.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.